Hi, friends. I hope this finds you well. Yeah, I'm excited. I wanted to come and bring you. I created this journal cover. It's just a regular run of the mill art journal, mixed media paper. I enjoy working with. And so I decided to cover at least the front of the cover. And I wanted to do a journal. I finished a journal, yay, a whole journal. And I wanted to do a journal walkthrough. So here we go. This I have done, so this is from Art Soul Gathering. Figure out which way is up. There we go. And Tracy was the artist that taught this class. So we made like a mixed media pocket with a sunflower in it. And these are real buttons. It was a lot of fun. Now we got this butterfly. This is from the a Year of Light taster event. Here we go. It says shine in the middle, and it's watercolor and markers and all kinds of mixed media. Tamara Laporte did this lesson. And then here's the next one. This is by Ida. She did Art Soul Gathering. She's the one that's hers. So it's a drawing and then some gold pens and stuff. This is from Soulscape of Light and Shadow with Andrea Gomal was this class, and it's watercolor. I think this is, I guess, Art and Soul. I think this is still from Art and Soul Gathering, but it's mixed in. That might be a taster event, or it might be an Art and Soul. This is Art and Soul. The artist was Ivy that taught this lesson. This is one of my favorites. I really love how this girl turned out. This is from Ruth from a Bible journaling, and then I had started a sketchbook challenge with the pigeon letters. So the color was blue. You had to pick an analogous color, so it's all blues, and then make a travel ticket in 10 minutes. And then this one was sketchbook challenge, garden, veggies. The colors were orange and green and gold, and needed to have garden boots. And then this is a painting of a preening swan by this class was done by Tracy Lizette. That was a lot of fun. And then these look like Year of Light taster sessions. So this is Year of Light taster session. This is where we did a shadow. So, and then here we go. It's not coming across, but it does have fluorescent neon colors in it. It's not as bright as it is in person. In person, it's like really bright green. Not sure why that's not translating. And then I was working on this bottle of joy. So here's me practicing, and that's from the Year of Light Tasters. Probably my least favorite one. Others have liked it. My bottle's good. I just don't like my people in it. And here I'm trying to do a picture transfer with my jelly plate. This is from a Year of Light taster session. So this is like the Kindle Glow, as if you're reading at night. And then this is another one of the taster sessions. This is Shelby Drillin, I think, taught this class, but I really enjoyed this one. I love learning all these shading techniques. And then here's another one. I gotta find that list. I have a list somewhere of all the this is another Year of Light and who taught each class. I thought I had written them all down, but I guess that one I hadn't. This is by Tony Burt, and this is like this was a lot of fun. I like these messy drawings with this watercolor thrown in. Tracy Vertigo did this one, and I used some ink, like liquid ink. So I colored the whole thing with like a crowns or different things, and then covered it over with this ink and just had spots open, and then it bled through, so that's why. And then this is another taster session. I didn't write down who. I apologize. But this is all from, and this was the reference I used. I'd like to do this one again. I'm not a huge fan. Remember, you gotta make a lot of bad art to make some good art. This was a fun one. This is another. These are all tasters sessions or different things. This was, I don't remember, but this has got scrapbook paper and sparkles and gold and birds and flowers and all kinds of stuff. Oh, sorry, I think my dog had grabbed something. This is from Sketchbook Revival. I didn't get to finish that one. So the taster, Year of Light taster, I did buy, well, got that as a birthday gift. So I do have that one, but Sketchbook Revival I didn't get to finish. But I made the flowers first and then glued them on here. This was just kind of playing with different things. These are all Sketchbook Revival, playing with, picking up my dog, excuse me. Playing with contour drawing and nature drawing, all from the Sketchbook Revival, which was a lot of fun. I wish I could have done more of that. And this is just practicing with lines and sticky notes, and here's creating characters with Marissa Cummings. This was Rachel Dorley, Squirrel Art Summit, so this was a different one. There was all kinds of painting classes this summer and different free things and all kinds of different things. So these are, I guess, Sketchbook Revival again. This is brush pens. It's an expressive portrait with Victoria Johnson. This one's made of gouache from Sketchbook Revival. And the teacher was Cecil Yadro. I apologize if I didn't write down your info. I meant to. This one was Sketchbook Revival with Sally Swindle. We're naming colors, and we had to use, I think, just like 3 colors. Like we did this like triangle of colors we like, and then pick 3 near each other. That was a lot of fun. I really enjoy collage. So this was a collage with Lucy Duckloss, Modern Collage Bouquet. That one's a fun one. I like that one. Here's a Sketchbook Revival with Charlie O'Shields, making a watercolor elephant. This was, I don't know if you can see it, this is a Zentangle. So it kind of made this big blob of paint and then added to it. It's hard to, colors are kind of dark, but it's cooler in person. There's all kinds of neat things to look at in that. And then this was just mark making. So I had sticks and different things I was actually using from Sketchbook Revival with Joy Ting Shard. So just drawing with all kinds of things. This was a luscious forest with her, using those things that I used over there. This one is just practicing landscapes. So practicing and then coming up with a landscape and doing it different ways. A lot of Sketchbook Revival. I did get through a lot of it. This is by Allison Wells. So there's a picture in here from a magazine that I cut out and scrap paper, and then kind of just decorated the whole thing. And here's another study, so thumbnail study. So cut out some thumbnails and then did different mediums and different things over here. Sorry if I'm moving super fast. This is also Sketchbook Revival. So another one of those cityscapes, the loosey-goosey watercolor pen drawings. Suhita taught this one, and it's called You Can Draw Anything. And then this is another gouache painting. I like this one. And then this one, I'm in, what is it called? Art collaboration group. And so we had a reference. I don't know if I have the reference, but we had a reference. We had to do a painting based off of that reference. So this, I did one digitally and then I did one physically. So it's of a bubble was our challenge. And here's did it in a different medium. I think that was gouache, I think, the other one, and this one's watercolor with some inks added in. Yeah, and these are all just kind of, I don't know, different papers and schedules and scraps and what have you, from all the different lessons that I took. So yay! Thank you to all the wonderful artists and all their wonderful classes. I really appreciate you, and I loved taking your classes, and I hope to take more. All right, enjoy your day, folks. Take care. Bye.